Hello guys, it's me Ruby and welcome to my YouTube channel. So yun nga guys, at muling nagbabalik ang inyong memeng. So for our DIY for today, naisipan kong gumawa ng snacks.
Pagkain na naman!
Guys, gagawa tayo ng simpleng snacks lang naman. Ang tawag natin dito.
Oh no!
Okay guys, ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng bread rolls gamit lamang ang ating beef loaf or itong pwede ring fish loaf. So, simple na siyang gawin guys at siguradong magugustuhan nyo. So, simulan na natin guys.
So, ito guys, naka-prepare na. Kailangan lang natin ng breadcrumbs, beef loaf, and itlog, then cheese powder, at higit sa lahat, ang ating sliced bread at mantika. So, simulan na natin guys.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dears, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. Never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, ooh. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hand, my dears, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. And you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do this.
So, ito na guys, ang ating Beefloaf Breadrolls. So, sana po ay nagustuhan nyo ang aking video and thank you for watching. Bye-bye guys!